Alright guys, welcome to a new video. For today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money online using Google News. And apparently for this method, we are able to earn up to $1,400. So let's see if this is true or not. Let's bring it to the test. And let's do this!
Are you ready to learn how to make big money online? I'm talking about earning up to $1,400 every single day without selling anything, having any prior experience, or even using affiliate marketing. All you have to do is copy and paste some text, and that is it. I'll also reveal 2 other websites so you can double up your earnings, and an amazing tool that can help you do the whole process in less than 5 minutes in just 3 simple steps to make even more money. News.google.com, which is the official Google News website.
And here we are. That's the first step.
We're going to focus on the good stuff: business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. So now that we're only looking at the good stuff, click on one of the categories.
Alright, so apparently, according to the video, the good stuff comes from business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. And for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and do health and get on to fitness. So from here, we have to choose an article that is interesting for us and for the website that we're going to be sending towards to. So let's go with this. The psychologist broke down common bad habits that can actually increase your risk of dementia as you age. Oh no! Sounds scary. Let's go with it.
Head over to spinbot.com and paste the text from the article you found into the website. Now here's where the magic happens. Spinbot is special software that takes the article you just copied and pasted and rewrites it in your own words. That's right. You'll have a completely new article with the same topic.
Okay, I guess that makes sense. So we're just gonna go ahead and copy the entire article from the Google News, Yahoo News for this case. And we're gonna paste the article and then give it a basic spin in order to avoid plagiarism. Plagiarism is not cool, guys. So please go ahead and rephrase the article that we have chosen so that we won't get into any trouble.
So the first website we're going to be talking about today is eatingwell.com. This is where things get exciting because they're going to pay you $1 per word that you write. But don't worry, you won't have to do any of the hard work yourself. You can easily write articles using Google News and Spinbot without any copyright issues.
Take a look. Okay, so this website is mainly about basically eating well. And there are a lot of things over here, such as meal plans, news, diabetes diet center, healthy lifestyle, 25 high fiber vegetable sites for winter. So just like a website which is all about health basically. So alright, where's the email? Where do I mail them? Let's carry on the video first.
Okay, so now you might be wondering how to actually get paid for your article, right? It's easy. Once you are on this website, you'll see that they pay $1 for each word you submit. Next, you'll need to grab the email address listed on the website and send them an email with the subject line, contents.
Alright, so we're done with this. Just gotta go ahead and give it a send. Or is unable to receive mail. It doesn't work. Email doesn't work. Man, this is disappointing. There goes my $1,400 a day. Alright, so apparently for the first website it doesn't work. But according to the video, she states that she has 2 other websites. So let's find out.
To submit an article to the popular science website, you need to focus on technology-related topics. You're going to go back to Google News, and you want to go to technology.
And it is mainly about technology. So instead of health, we're gonna go ahead and search up on the technology side of things. Alright, we're gonna go with this website. So as per usual, copy the entire article. That sounds like a bad thing. I feel I'm doing something illegal, which probably is illegal. Oh man. But hey, it's what the video says. We're gonna see if it works or not. So delete the old one, paste the new one, and give it a spin. Okay, here we go. Here we are. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and try and submit to this particular one. And type out this email, which is for the popscience.com, which is mainly for the technology side of things. I'm gonna go ahead and type it out, and then I'm gonna send it, and then hopefully it doesn't get rejected or it doesn't show that the address is not being found again. So I will go ahead and type it out, and then I'll give you a send, and I'll let you guys know whether this works or not. Alright, so this is another website which is called AARP. So let's give it a go as well.
To them, just go to their website and check out their submission process. Here's the cool part. They pay up to $2 per word. That's more money than the other websites we've talked about. Plus, they accept articles on a wide range of topics like health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more. Now, what you can do is submit your articles to all three websites: Eating Well, Popular Science, and ARP.org. Make sure you submit different articles to each website.
Okay, so what she's saying is that for this particular website, AARP, we have to, it's the same thing. It's basically the same strategy. We just have to send the articles that is being rephrased from Spinbot, and then, of course, obviously, get it from the Google News at first. So get the article from Google News, and then rephrase it with Spinbot, and then go ahead and send it to one of the articles, one of the categories over here: health, money, work and jobs, social security, Medicare, caregiving, games, travel, and more. So I'm gonna go ahead with health once again, because this is what we already rephrased. So I will go with the health category. But I gotta find the email address first. Okay, so it's apparently AARP magazine at aarp.org. But for this website, we can earn up to $2 per word for print. Okay, so out of the three websites, this apparently pays the most. So that sounds good. That sounds promising. Let's give it a go. As per usual, I'm gonna go ahead and type in the email, and then type in the content, and then submit the article. And then from there, if there's a reply, great. But there's no reply, and worst case, if it gets rejected or the address is not being found once again, then man, there's no $1,400 for us today. But nevertheless, I will give it a go, and then type it out. Make sure there's no error in the rephrased format from Spinbot, and then from there I'll just submit again once more. So yeah, I guess that is it. But we have to wait whether our article will be accepted or not by the relevant organizations. Okay, so I don't think they will get back to me within a day. I hope so, but I highly doubt so. So I'm gonna go ahead and send the emails as per usual, as what I said, and then if there's any updates, I'll let you guys know. But so far, $0, $0 earned today, but it is what it is. I will give it a go nevertheless, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll let you guys know. Peace.